Hi everyone. I came with one more new topic today. So the topic is Salesforce Inspector. By seeing the thumbnail itself, you get to know. So here I'm showing more than 10 uh, features which is available in a Salesforce Inspector. Okay. So I think most of the developers use this Salesforce Inspector. So if anyone is not using, start using this. So you will be saving your time. Many of things you will do the quickly compared to the doing it in a Salesforce manual steps. Okay. So let's jump into the our actual topic. So in a Salesforce, I'd say those who not aware about this Salesforce Inspector, I'm just giving a brief about them. So this is a Salesforce Inspector. It's a one of the Chrome extension. So you have to install that from the extension. After installing, you will be seeing this called a Salesforce Inspector. Okay. So, what is use of this? Okay, let's. We have a more than 10 features here. I'll start with the one by one. Okay, so I'll comparing with the actual process and then compare. I'll explain in a how we can use that functionality in a Salesforce Inspector. Okay, so usually if you want to navigate the account object, what are the ways you will do? So to go quickly, you'll go for account tab and then click on setup a gear icon and then edit object. Right, this is a one way, and few people will do the setup now object manager, right, object manager, then find for account, right. So what I will do, so I'll just go here. I'll go for objects. I'll find for account. I'll just click here. Okay, it will take me to the object manager of the account object so quickly, right. So this is the first feature. I'll go for the next one. So here in a object itself, you can see the all the objects which is, let's assume you have some other custom objects. So just search with that. You can see that if is there any custom object, you will see the underscore underscore c. All the objects will be visible here, and all the object prefix numbers will be visible here. So let's see here, account start with the 001. That's the uh, object prefix number, right. So this is one more feature here on the under the objects. Okay, I'll just jump into the user tab here. So user tab, I think most of the knows user. I hope so. In a user, if you know any one of the username, let's assume I'm just checking here one of the user. So this user is available in this org. So I can just click on a detail, it will show the detail. If I do the try to log in as, I can log in as this user into the Salesforce, I mean, so usually how we'll do, we will search for that user, and let's assume we will search for the user here, and we will go for detail and then detail to login, right. Instead of that, just you can go navigate to here and search for the user and click on the login. So it will not take you more time. So this guy's logged in. Okay, this is a one more feature. Okay, I'll just logging back to the my, or I just logged out. Reason was that's not a system admin. I want to show you many things in a, using as a system admin user. Okay, that's a user, and then you guys know we have data export, data import. I'll come these two last. There is a many things to explain here. Okay, and then org limits. So org limits. what are the limits you have in your like data storage, and then what is the limitation of your object and fields, and then single email sending emails, API callouts, permission set creations, all the information will be available here, the limits, okay, or limits. Then coming to the download metadata. So let's assume so you are in hurry, your Visual Studio is not opening properly, but you want to be download some metadata and upload into the some other place, or else you want to take some backup. So you can use this tool, download metadata. So most of the metadata components will be visible here. Let's assume I want to be download my all flows. Just Control F, flows, flow definitions or flows, whichever you want. You can just select it and then say the download metadata. It will be downloaded and giving you metadata. You have to just click on the save download metadata. It's downloaded, and then do unzip. So your package.xml, I think there is a no no flows. That's why you are not seeing here. If anything is available, definitely it will be downloaded. Okay, try it. It will be there. So coming to the Explore API. So what it is, by usually why I use this is my currently which service, which version it's using, which version 59. Currently it's using the 59. Okay, so I'll just click on this 28. So this will tell you all your metadata, what are the things, which version is working. Okay, not only that, so you can use for one more thing here. So your current version. So which version is which release? Look, 59 was released in a winter 24. Okay, so like that you can use which version it is, which what version and what release we are currently. So those things you can use. This will be the even if you want to the Excel format, based on what you want to copy in Excel file, you can just copy Control P and okay. Just you want to be view in a tabular format, you can just view in the tabular format. Okay, so this is a 59. Currently, it's a winter 24. So by seeing this, you can able to find out currently my arc is which release. Okay, so I'm going back to the again the same Salesforce home page. So if you are in somewhere in a setup, I want to be jump into the home. Just click on a home. It will be the take you back here. Okay, and then next one is data export. Okay, so before going to data export, I just want to show you a few more things. Let's assume you're working on any one of the record. I think most of them you using the Salesforce inspector because of this, but there is some things maybe you know or you doesn't know. I'll just want to be highlight. So let's assume you are working on this. There is some fields which is not available on the screen. What you will do, you will just go here and click on show all data. Correct? I will click on show all data. Correct? So you'll jump into this world data, then you will find out the what field you are, where it is, what value is there in backend, which is not available on a page layout. Correct. You'll just search. Let's assume status you need. So account status field is not at all available here. Let's assume billing state. So it's ANC. If you want to update anything, you can update from here also. Edit will be work. Okay, and then update your things and just Even if a really is there any validation rules, those also will be for. Let's assume you want to see the fields you want to be searched, like which field you want, you can search from here also. Okay, and then relationship, what are the child relationships for this account, so those also you can see here. And most important thing here, if let's assume you are in this place, you want to be update, you want to add some fields on a page layout, what you will do, just go on edit object or edit page and then navigate, right? So what I will do usually is I'll just click on the edit page layout here which is available. It will take me to the page layout. I'll just add that and save it so quickly, right? So similarly, if you want to jump into the object, just click on the object setup. It will take you to object manager and then account fields. Okay, similarly, if you want to navigate into the classic, you can go here, and you want to go back to the your review record, you can just click on this view record. So it has taken back to you, right? So one more feature we have which is not available in a lightning. I don't think, I'm not sure it will be going forward. The Salesforce inspector team is going to enable or not. So let's assume hmm, you want to see the API name of this field somewhere. So that will be available in a classic. I'll just jump to the classic quickly. Okay, so after jumping to the classic, I'm in a home page. I'll just go to the account. Okay, so I'll just click on account. So once I reach the account, I'll go for the Salesforce inspector. So if you see here, there is a one more option came show field metadata. So I'll just click on this. Wherever I go, it will show you the field API name. And then if you want to navigate this page, this field directly, you just click on that. It will be stick this. The pop-up will be help text will be stick there itself. Okay, and then click on a lightning setup or classic setup where you want. Just click on that. It will take you to that object manager fields, exactly the same field. Okay, so this is one more tip. It will be available in a light classic for now. Going forward, they might be implemented. So one more feature is here. If you click on the setup, you can go navigate from here to setup. Okay. Mm, Now I'm jumping into the. I hope here itself we are crossed the 8 features almost. Okay, now data export. So I came to the data export. Just assume you want to be write some query, but you don't know the field names, AP names. I think most of them you are using already this. So you can just type, what field you want to find it. Just you want to find for number, account number. Just say number. Sorry. Before that, first you have to write a query, initial query. What object you are writing the query. So after that, you don't know what field exactly you want to add. Automatically, there will be the all the fields will become, and you can select the fields which you want. Okay, let's say number. I say number of employees, number of locations, account number, done duns number. All the fields will become here, right? So let's assume there is some function you want to write. So all the functions also will be visible here. You want to do the average. Okay, so what many fields, like, so you want to show the all the fields or you want to show the only the standard fields. Just say standard fields and execute. It will be the all the standard fields will become, and just copy in Excel format. If you want, you can copy Excel or copy CSV, copy JSON, or you want to be search particular record. Let's assume you want something record will be start from S4s. So just type ASF, automatically the account will become. Okay. So this search technology, search also is here. Okay. And then many fields, if you want to add all the fields you want, but only one function will be execute here, make sure it should be the only one function, huh? So okay, so whenever you are using the all fields, you have to add a limit here. Okay, so all the 200 accounts, all the fields with custom standard, all the fields will become here. Okay, so next, we have a some more feature here. I can say the include deleted records, API, tooling API queries, and then we have we can store the queries. Let's assume this query is important to you. You don't want to write again and again. You want to save it. You can just say the click the plus symbol. It will be stored in your saved queries. If you want to delete, just select this and say the delete, it will be delete. If you click on double XL, then it will be clear all your queries in a saved. If you want to clear the history, you can just click that X, the your query will be cleared. Okay, this is a export. So now what I am going to do is I'm going to explain you how to use the import in a Uh, let's assume you got a requirement from your manager or your team lead or something. They are asking to update some records. Okay, they're asking to update some records. So what you will do? So you will just come and do the query, and that will be downloaded into the Excel and convert into the CSV format, and then upload again, right? So but I will suggest, first come here and whatever fields you want to be add here. Okay, let's assume I want to update billing billing country. Okay, I want to update the billing country for all the accounts. I'll just say here, I'll copy this into the Excel format. I'll open the Excel. I'll copy this. I'll open Excel. I'll not save any file. I'll just paste here. I'll just delete this part, and then to update the account is ID is required, right? So I'll just fill the countries wherever I want to update. I'll just update it, and then I'll just copy this whatever the update I want. I'm not saving any file here. Just I'm just giving you a heads up. I'll just click a update account. I have my content is in Excel format. I'll just selected the Excel and just I'm pasting here, and then mapping fields. I copied from the export, so all the API names will become here. Otherwise, you can change it. You want to just map it whatever you want. Just say the import, and then import. So all the records will be updated. I have not created any CSV file, anything. You can update whatever the limits we have. Okay, similarly, you can delete the records also. I'll just select here a delete option. I'll just paste here. I don't want to delete billing country, it's not required. I'll just say the skip so that it will not consider this, and just say the execute. So all the 13 accounts will be deleted. If there is any validation rule, then it will not delete. Okay, so for now I'll be restoring. It's important for me. I hope you guys uh, like this video. Please, if you are feeling my efforts is there in this video, please like this video so that it will be reached to others. And then if you have any questions, or if you are really using and but not using these other functions which I have explained, please comment below. That will be again appreciable. And then please do subscribe if you are not subscribed. And then share this video those who knows the Salesforce. Even testing team also it will be useful. Think so. So please share those who knows the Salesforce and they are working on the testers. Thank you so much.